In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Conversations inbox in HubSpot. Whether you're new to using HubSpot or just need a refresher, setting up your Conversations inbox is an essential step in managing all incoming messages effectively. First, begin by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. Simply type in hubspot.com into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to proceed to the login page. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email and password and sign in. If you're new to HubSpot, you might want to take a moment to create an account before proceeding. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. This is the starting point for all of your HubSpot tasks. Here, shift your attention to the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this will open up a new menu. In the settings menu, you'll find several options on the left sidebar. One of these options will be labeled Inbox and Help Desk. Go ahead and click on that, taking you to where you can manage your various communication channels. The next step is to find and select inboxes. This section is crucial because it allows you to oversee your different inboxes and streamline your communication. Now you should see a section labeled something like Actions. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down options, select Create New Inbox. This is the focal point of our setup process. By clicking this, you initiate the creation of a new inbox tailored to your specific needs. HubSpot will guide you through some initial configurations to help you align your new inbox with whichever customer service or communication goals you have. It's essential during this process to pay attention to any prompts or settings that you might want to adjust. HubSpot often provides helpful tips along the way to ensure your inbox is set up to best serve your company's specific messaging workflow. And that's it, you've successfully set up a new Conversations inbox on HubSpot. Having this inbox lets you manage all your incoming messages from different channels in one centralized location, enhancing your organization and efficiency in handling customer communications. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to create additional inboxes or wish to walk through the process again. With HubSpot's intuitive platform, managing your communications has never been easier. Thanks for watching and happy inbox managing.